In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link or PDF to a source in the Google NotebookLM AI tool. Adding sources to your NotebookLM can be incredibly beneficial for organizing your research and keeping track of links and documents. To start off, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type NotebookLM and hit enter. This should bring up a number of search results. Look for the NotebookLM in website and click on it. Once the website loads, find the option that says Try NotebookLM and give it a click. This will give you access to the main features of NotebookLM. When you're in, you'll want to start by creating a new notebook. Look around the interface for the Create New Notebook button and click on it. This allows you to begin compiling your sources and documents, all within a new, organized workspace. After your notebook has been created, the next step is uploading your sources. Towards the upper part of the page, find and select the Upload Sources option. At this point, if you have a PDF document or file ready, locate it in your files. Once you've selected the document you want to use as a source, click on Open to upload it into your notebook. This will add the PDF as a source you can refer to later. If, instead of a PDF, you want to add a link, the process is thankfully just as simple. Head over to the section where you can manage your sources and look for the Add Source button. Click on it, and you'll be presented with different options for the type of source you want to add. Let's focus on adding a link for now. Go to the Link section, which might show some categories like YouTube. If you're looking to add a video link from there, click on YouTube and then navigate to the video you're interested in. Once there, copy the URL or the link of that YouTube video. Next, return to your NotebookLM workspace. You'll find a place where you can paste the URL. Go ahead and do that. After you've pasted the link, finalize the process by clicking Insert. And there you have it. You've learned how to seamlessly add a PDF document or a link as a source in Google's NotebookLM AI tool. Whether you're gathering research for a school project or compiling resources for professional studies, this feature provides an organized and accessible way to keep track of your information. Don't forget to save your notebook when you're done, ensuring that all your hard work is safely stored for future reference. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in organizing your digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing!